Here at Pegasus Auto Racing Supplies, we are one of Facet's top dealers, which means we were given a special opportunity to help supply Facet pumps for select Yanmar and Kubota equipment. These pumps are a functional replacement for the OEM pumps that are hard to get, too expensive, whatever the case may be. This particular one is an FAC-60247. It pumps out 3.5 to 5 psi max with a maximum flow rate of 30 gallons per hour. Probably going to see a typical flow of around 11 gallons per hour at 2 psi. This does have an anti-drain back valve, so fuel can't drain back into the tank. On top of that, it also comes with the Yazaki plug already installed, so it really is plug and play. Additionally, it comes with these 1/8 inch MPT to 5/16 barbs. They do even already have the thread sealant on the barbs to make it as quick and pain-free as possible. Help get your equipment back out there, help get it to a point where it's making you money again.